Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's February the 9th, 2015, and I just want to show you real quick the X on Planet X. Okay, the moon is Planet X, people. It is the size of a planet. My research shows it every day. You can check it out yourself if you want. I mean, it just shows it every day. But here's your X. Do you see it? See the X? X marks the spot. And I would almost guarantee you that this is where the cross originates from, right here. This is where the original cross comes from, you know, like in religion. But there's your X. It looks like it's missing this little part here, but it's not. You can zoom in and you can see that it goes, everything's flowing that way. There's an X there. Definitely an X, and it is the size. The moon is the size of a planet. You can prove it to yourself all day long just by reversing the lunar surface and putting it over the Earth. This whole area right here is probably 3,000 miles in diameter, not the whole moon being 2,000. This whole area like 3,000, something like that, or more, because this is a one impact with the Earth. This whole area is not just a bunch of little impacts that happen in the same exact spot. You know what I mean? This is the deepest place on the moon. So this is an impact, and that's X, Planet X. Believe it or not. Like I said, you can check it all yourself. I mean, it's not, if I can figure it out, everybody can figure it out. It's not that difficult. And people don't believe, some people don't believe what I'm showing, but you have to. If you look into it, you have to believe it. I mean, just look at the Earth and you can see the Earth itself is something that has more to the story than they tell you. And you you can watch my videos and see the things that I've shown in the weather. Every weather pattern over the Earth is a mirror image of the moon's surface. And I would bet on it. I could take every area of the weather, pretty much, that they show properly, or like the major weather patterns, and they are from the lunar surface. I mean, they're a perfect match, mirror image, every time. So I just want to point that out. That is Planet X, and you just look into it yourself. Don't believe it. You can prove it to yourself all day long. I mean, no one else. You can't. It's hard to prove it to anybody else, but you can always prove it to yourself. It's not that hard to convince yourself to believe something that you see with your own two eyes, I guess. All right. Have a good day.